A career criminal with 6 felony convictions walks into court expecting a routine hearing. But when the judge starts digging into his criminal history, the courtroom quickly turns into an intense reality check. What happens next leaves everyone questioning how this man ended up working in security while facing yet another burglary charge. Watch until the end to see the judge's surprising decision.
All right. You have a lawyer?
State spent that much money. Last time I was in I heard something since then that March broke.
Okay, you know what you're charged with.
Yes.
State jail felony of burglary of a building. Do you have any prior convictions?
Yes.
How many?
1991 conviction. They were given 40 years for murder out right in Harris County. I got a state case and I got
How many prior convictions, felony convictions do you have? So
I asked him about state jail felony, which was for I do know that.
how many prior felony convictions do you have, sir? Nobody knows better about your life than you. Let's see if you can guess correctly. Because I know. Guess.
Well,
That's your answer? 4 or 5? You're not sure? Okay. I see a bunch of state jail felonies. You have something other than state jail felony convictions?
yeah.
What?
I was drug delivery in 91.
What degree felony was that? Because it's not listed in the indictment like the others are. What county?
Harris County. I'm from Houston.
Wait, from Harris County?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. What else? Can you think of anything?
Less than 590.
So you've got 2 possession,
No, one delivery, one possession.
1 delivery, and what was, okay, the delivery is a felony.
Yes.
What was the possession of felony as well?
Yes.
Possession of what drug?
Cocaine.
And delivery of?
Same thing. Cocaine.
Okay.
Yes.
And that was in 91?
Yes, sir.
All right. And out of Harris County.
Yes.
Okay, so that makes 6 prior convictions that we know about. 6. And if those felonies were greater than state jail felonies, they probably, the delivery most certainly was. This could affect this state jail felony punishment range, which looks like it's because of all your prior state jail felonies, you're looking at a state jail felony punished though as though it were a 3rd degree felony. But those other priors could enhance it further to higher. Okay. You live still at 335 Cypress? Okay.
Private Creek, CD4.
All right, that's where you're living now. Were you living here in Beaumont at the time of this offense? Did you learn any lessons from this event? Well, I guess the main lesson would be if you're going to burglarize a building, you want to make sure that it doesn't have a bunch of video equipment watching you, as it apparently does. So, what do you do for a living?
I was a manager of security.
What are you doing now?
That's stroke. I don't mind.
What are you doing now? Not
Can't work with.
okay.
I cut hair.
What is his bond? What's your bond amount? You posted a bond here, sir. $2,000 for 6 convictions?
I don't know. So I know I have on this case.
Yeah, that's what we're talking about. This case. Is there another case?
No, so I'm saying I think it was $2,000. Yeah, I was in Turkish County.
He probably has a personal autonomous. He says.
Yeah. Down Bliss Travis Town.
Yeah, I've been going back to work as soon as, I was a manager at, for security. I worked at nighttime, security over my daytime, chief of the system manager. Obviously I can't get some people. The last time I came, I was just.
Hold on. You got 6 felony convictions and you're doing security work?
Yes, over service. It's just.
Anybody find that laughable? It's almost like a I Love Lucy episode up here. Sometimes. What goes on just escapes reality. First of all, this bond is woeful. It's a joke. Whoever set the bond probably did not know of your prolific criminal history like we know now. And these bonds were set well before you were indicted.
No, I was indicted last year.
Do you remember when you were indicted?
I think it's on that.
Yeah. Well, I know it's on the face of the indictment. I'm looking at it. Do you know it's your life? Do you even know the date you were indicted for a felony offense? You don't even know, do you? Does that say something about where your priorities are? I mean, this is very serious. And you don't even know the date you were indicted? Wonderful. You had personal bond. It was a $3,000 is what it was set at. But that was before. You went. And obviously, whoever's making that decision didn't have either failed or was unable to get the information that I'm looking at in this file on the probable cause affidavit and your criminal history. What's Dave going to do? What's it showing? What's his final amount? Is it $3,000?
That's just, they let it personal cost.
Personal cost bond.
Yeah, some counties set a dollar amount to that,
Yeah, all right.
but it says personal
Now,
cost.
that's like a Twilight Zone episode. That doesn't make any sense.
You know,
Yeah, I mean, and you're here, Burglary. You've got conviction for Bend County, Harris County, Orange County. Those are state jail felonies, and then you got the drug convictions out of Travis County. Sir, Travis County. That's not even in here. I'm sure these officers are going to catch up on that. They don't always do. What state say?
Judge,
Is the state satisfied with the bond?
if the court does not feel that that bond is sufficient, Judge, I'm okay with whatever the court decides to do.
Your income now is what?
I don't have income.
I thought you were just saying you were doing security work,
I say,
but you're not.
I said, I supposed to be going back to work service security. That's what I was doing when I last month.
What kind of job is that?
Service security it's a security company. It's a staffing company.
What do you do physically?
Security. We do UT games. We do DKR Stadium, we do the Long Center, we do a Bass Concert Hall, we do Paramount Theaters.
What do you do as far as security? What do you mean? What do you physically do?
Security, I mean.
I know what that means.
What I'm,
You mean
yes, sir.
you're there to ensure that things are run properly and there's no misconduct.
Right, yes, sir, exactly.
But you have 6 convictions
It's a second chance company.
and a burglary
The guy,
pending,
who
and
owns
they're
the-
hiring you.
guy who owns the company is a former Travis County Sheriff deputy. And
He's got a great sense of humor.
His name is Kevin Cotton, and he owns the company. He hires second chance offenders. As a matter of fact, I'm a supervisor. So,
Wow. Okay. Well, that's
and prior to me having my stroke, I was the system manager at Jiffy Lube. And I came last month. I had 2
theft
jobs.
conviction, burglary conviction, forgery conviction, tampering with records conviction, forgery conviction, and we're not talking about the drug cases. And you have two drug convictions.
I've been killing for 30
Yeah.
years, sir.
You've committed crimes for 30 years. All right. Now this just. I'm going to order as a condition of bond that you have a GPS device so I know where you are at all times. A GPS device so I know where you are. And when a crime is committed, I want to know where you were when that was committed so that it wasn't you. But you're going to have a GPS device as a condition of bond. You've got 2 weeks to get that done. You talk to your bondsman.
And Travis County.
Yeah, tell them, and it's court ordered.
No problem.
And
That's no problem.
and that probably isn't a problem. But your problem is committing crimes. That's your problem that you need to fix, sir. What are we doing next? We're gonna.
The attorney situation.
Yeah, we need a. What are you doing about the attorney?
Maybe give her on it at this point because let's say, because all my bills, I'm money going to my bills.
Yeah, you're gonna have to fill out an indigent form. It's over there. Fill that out, and then I'll look at it and determine whether you're worthy of getting a indigent defender to represent you. Okay.
Sort of thing.
What do you think? Was the judge right to place the defendant under GPS monitoring, or should the court have taken even stronger action? Drop your opinion in the comments below. We read every one of them. If you enjoy real courtroom moments, criminal cases, and powerful judicial decisions, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next video. New courtroom stories are uploaded regularly.